What up? Haven't shown my ugly face in a long time. I'll make it quick. This is kind of just like an intro to what you're about to see. There was a last minute little adventure run type deal that was pretty much the X5's Maiden Voyage as far as going off the road and dealing with real terrain. So I took advantage of it. This was last Sunday. It is now Wednesday the 22nd. I wasn't able to get many clips of myself just because it was a super tight technical course near the Mount Hood area. It was Ladee Flats. I had been out there once before. I think I actually have that snow run uploaded on this channel from like 3 years ago. Same area, but more difficult trails. I'm not sure where all the clips are going to fit in, but essentially we're going to have kind of like a group small clip of just who I was with as far as their vehicles, and then I'll post one clip of this area that we got to kind of at the end of the trip, which was like huge inclines with snow and deep mud. It's just kind of me walking around and checking everybody out and everyone I was with. Like I said, not too many action clips of myself. It was super last minute. I literally saw the small group of 4 people that were going at 10:30 at night, asked if I could tag along. They said yeah, and I met them near Mount Hood, like 12 hours from there, so 10 in the morning. So super last minute. I didn't have time to set the GoPro up, but I did have a small clip of myself that I got from someone else who filmed it. It was an easy part of the course, but still cool to see the X5 in action nonetheless. And then the last clip that I should be putting in this video is the carnage from the trip. It wasn't that bad, but there was something I didn't see the first time I went over the vehicle, and it could have definitely put a damper on the day and the build. So we'll go over that when we get there. Just wanted to kind of preface this video so I wasn't just like jumping into the clips and surprising you with what I did. So I hope you enjoy it. And like I said in the video before this one, I will be doing a full walk around so we can see where we are currently. I'm not going to do it in my garage because it's not dimly lit, it's super bright, but there's just not a lot of room to really walk around and get the big picture of what it looks like. So I'll try and find a parking lot or something like that this coming weekend, and I'll do the walk around. So before I drag it out any longer, like I always do, I hope you enjoy.
Yee! Yeah. Okay, now straighten it out. No, passenger, straighten out. There you go, there you go. Yep, keep it that way and follow it through. Yep. Yeah, that back tire's clear. That's good. Yeah, that's sick. Tires. Fucking X5. That's all it's got. Hey, it's enough, dude. Is this tires in the air right now? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
I was wondering what I got stuck on right there, because I was like, I'm not on this stump. Oh,
yeah, no, stop. All right. Yep.
For sale, 2001 X5, never abused, Never off-roaded. Got him. What's up, guys? Figured I'd make a quick video really quick. Did a lot today. As you can see, look at the interior. It's full of mud and dirt. Today was the first outing. It was super last minute, so I couldn't hook up a GoPro, but I did get some clips, and a couple of the guys that I was rolling with, I think they got some good clips of me. It was pretty crazy. Probably the toughest terrain that this BMW will ever see. Bottomed out a lot, came crashing down a lot, but overall it was good. Nothing's broken that I can see, smell, or feel so far, so that's always good. So we did that, and then we finished off doing some shooting at an outdoor, not really a range, just like a public place where people go shooting. So that was fun. Yeah, just on my way back home now. We started at like 10 a.m. It's about 5, so solid Sunday. It's MLK Junior Day Monday, so I figured I'd take advantage of that. So yeah, it's super dirty. I'm not sure when I'll insert this clip, but I did a full walk around and interior of how it looks now after going out. It's literally covered in mud and dirt. So it was super fun, super nice views. I'm up in the Mount Hood area of Oregon. You can see the water and the trees. So yeah, solid trip. Super impressed with this rig. I'd say the biggest obstacle that I had to deal with was just the lack of articulation that X5s have. Lots of wheels in the air, and I couldn't get any traction because I don't have any lockers. It's just the stock drivetrain with open differentials, so that kind of hurt me a little bit. I only had to get pulled free once, and that's where literally everyone and all their Toyotas and Jeeps were also stuck. So yeah, did pretty solid. I just wanted to make this clip because I didn't want you guys to miss it all, and I didn't want to not get any uploaded on the YouTube. So I hope you guys are having a good Sunday. I'm gonna try not to get passed by this fucking F-350 with a trailer. But I may make a clip when I get home. Either way, I'll upload this tonight. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is how you know you've had a good time. I didn't fucking see my back seats. It was a party.